A very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelin bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Vocational animation ended on Saturday 13th April at the Don Bosco Institute Villa Rancibile in Palermo, animated by a team of young FMA and SDP from Sicily. During the week, several activities were carried out with the 950 students of the first and second grade secondary school. The latter divided into the classical, scientific and economic social high schools. Inspired by a famous Italian song from 1979, the testimony of consecrated young people was linked to the theme of the light we receive from Christ, how the moon reflects that of the sun, and the experience of darkness which challenges us to restart and rekindle ourselves. More than 300 people from the different groups of the Salesian family of Peru gathered in the auditorium of the Maria Auxiliadora School in Brena to celebrate the Day of Salesian Spirituality. This fraternal meeting took place under the title proposed by Cardinal Angel Fernandez Artime, Rector Major, in his Trena entitled, "The Dream That Makes You Dream, a Heart That Transforms Wolves into Lambs." In addition to the various groups that make up the Salesian family in Peru, the young people of the Brena Youth Center also participated, offering their share of joy and animation, as well as students from the San Francisco de Sales School. From 6 to 13 April 2024, 37 Salesian from the 4 Polish provinces took part in their annual retreat held this year in the form of a pilgrimage to France on the theme, "Learn from me, for I am meek and humble of heart," taken from the Gospel of Matthew chapter 11 verse 29. With St. Francis de Sales in the School of Divine Love, most participants were rectors of communities and responsible for presences in the province of Krakow PLS, accompanied by the provincial Father Marcin Kanowski, his vice-provincial Father Zygmunt Koska, and the provincial economer Father Piotr Pawelek. The program included a visit to places related to the life and work of St. Francis de Sales, in honor of whom St. John Bosco gave the name to the Salesian Society, and that he proposed to his sons as a model of kindness and pastoral zeal. Salesian St. Xavier High School in Pathalya Ghat hosted a 2-day formation course on 15 and 16 April for all teachers in Salesian schools in Pitra, Harma, Mantwi, Bishramganj, Nabasardar and Pathalya Ghat. The event, which saw Father P.D. Johnny, Secretary of the SPCSA and AITBS in New Delhi as a reference person, was attended by 190 teachers, 5 principals and 5 rectors who met in view of the new academic session 2024-2025. This meeting is the result of a joint effort of all 6 Salesian schools in the region under the leadership of Father Babu Stefan, Head of Education and Culture of Shillong Province. These 2 days of formation were of great help to the teachers involved, who learned a lot from the sessions held by Father P.D. Johnny and from the group discussions. Teachers were motivated to engage in the culture of active teaching and learning and to cultivate student well-being. Salesian Stephen K.L. Koso made his perpetual religious profession during a solemn mass celebrated by Father Reinhard Gessing SDP, Superior of the Salesian Province of Germany, GER. The celebration took place on Saturday 6 April in the Church of Notre Dame des Lords in the Bomonti district of Istanbul, run by the Salesians. The ceremony was attended by numerous religious from various communities, children and young people, as well as collaborators of the Salesian projects in the metropolis on the Bosphorus. The Apostolic Vicar of Istanbul, Bishop Massimiliano Palinuro, was present as a guest of honor. The Salesians of Don Bosco have been in the Bomonti district since 1903, and the Salesian presence in Turkey belonging to the GER province carries out numerous educational activities through elementary and middle school, the oratory and youth center, and apostolate activities among refugees and immigrants. In addition, The Salesian Cooperators and ADME have a center. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.